In your organization, how many times have you wondered, why can't I have data visibility across systems? Why is it taking so much time to bring data from one system to another? Why is it taking so much time to take actions across data from disparate systems? How can we even reduce the development and deployment cycle? How can we expedite the business outcomes? Enter UCBoss, the world's first composable, no-code metadata platform. With UCBoss, you can have interoperability at best, bringing data from diverse systems by building a canonical model. As this model is dynamic, the model can be modified anytime as your end system changes or as you add more systems to the mix. With UCBoss semantic capability, you can also link data to make them meaningful and extract relevant relationship, irrespective of which system the data came from. The data can be converted to any format using the translator capability of the platform. With UCBoss Form Builder, you can even create the data within the platform. Once the data is available, with the help of UCBoss Workflow Engine, you can run business rules to validate the data and execute business scenarios, and also send the data out. The business scenarios can involve UCBoss MLAI engine, or UCBoss Analytics engine, or UCBoss What If Predict and Analyze capabilities. With UCBoss inbuilt role-based data level security model, business users can decide who can view, create and update the data. With UCBoss Composable UI, business users can compose their custom business execution modules with pre-built services and dashboards. With Visual Dynamic Query capability, users can query data from these models and exhibit them. We intentionally architected the platform keeping market volatility and business agility in mind, as we fully understand the days of designing one time and getting that implemented one time is gone. As business change, platforms should be adaptive without ripping and rebuilding. What other business problems can UCBoss solve for you? Please reach out to my sales team or connect with me on LinkedIn to discuss further.